Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts quick. Let's dive right into making a speedy donut dough. The secret to quick donuts begins with instant yeast, which eliminates the need for proofing beforehand. Combine it with warm milk, ideally between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, to activate it rapidly. Using a stand mixer with a dough hook will knead your dough to perfection in just about 5 to 7 minutes, saving you valuable time and effort. Once your dough is ready, it's time to shape and fry. Roll out your dough to a consistent 1/2 inch thickness. This ensures even and quick cooking. A donut cutter makes shaping a breeze, or you can use 2 different sized round cutters for the classic donut and hole. Heat your frying oil to a precise 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry each donut for approximately 1 minute per side until golden brown, ensuring a perfectly cooked treat in no time. Now for the delicious finishing touches. While your freshly fried donuts cool for just a few minutes, whip up a quick powdered sugar glaze. A simple mix of powdered sugar, a splash of milk, and a touch of vanilla extract is all you need. Dip each warm donut into the glaze. The slight warmth helps the glaze adhere beautifully and evenly. If you're adding sprinkles or other toppings, do so immediately after glazing to ensure they stick perfectly before the glaze sets. You've successfully made delicious donuts quickly. For the absolute best experience, enjoy your homemade treats within a few hours of making them. Their fresh taste and soft texture are truly unmatched. If you happen to have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They will stay fresh for up to 2 days. For a delightful warm treat, simply pop them in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.